The tech world is once again buzzing with excitement, speculation, and wild anticipation because Samsung's next big flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, is already shaping up to be the most advanced, most intelligent, and possibly the most revolutionary smartphone we've ever seen. Now, if you thought the Galaxy S25 Ultra was impressive, with its titanium design and AI-powered photography, then what Samsung is planning for the S26 Ultra might just leave you speechless. Over the past few months, multiple leaks, insider reports, and even prototype images have surfaced online, painting a very interesting picture of what could be Samsung's most ambitious phone ever. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive deep into every single leak, every major rumor, and every insane new feature we know so far about the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. According to the most credible sources, Samsung is working on refining the design language we saw in the S25 lineup. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to have a slightly slimmer profile with even thinner and more uniform bezels all around. For years, Samsung fans have begged for a truly symmetrical screen design, and it looks like the S26 Ultra is finally delivering just that. Early CAD renders show a beautifully flat 6.9-inch, dynamic LTPO AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz, adaptive refresh rate, and even higher peak brightness than the already impressive S25 Ultra. Some leaks suggest Samsung is introducing a brand new type of anti-reflective coating that will reduce glare and improve outdoor visibility dramatically, making it the clearest and brightest smartphone screen ever made. But that's not all. The front camera cutout might still be in the center, but the punch hole is rumored to be smaller than ever before. And there's even talk of an early version of Samsung's under-display camera technology being tested for this model. It's not confirmed if it will make it into production, but imagine a fully immersive, uninterrupted display experience on an Ultra device. That's something fans have been dreaming about for years. Now moving to the back, Samsung might be shaking things up with the camera design. Instead of the traditional floating lens setup we've seen in the S23, S24, and S25 Ultra, the S26 Ultra could feature a partially integrated camera island, where 3 of the sensors are grouped together, while one sits slightly separated, creating a more balanced, futuristic look. Leaked dummy units even show a new range of colors, including titanium gray, bright orange, and a clean silver-white option. And interestingly, some reports claim Samsung might skip the traditional black version this year in favor of these bolder tones. But what really makes the S26 Ultra stand out isn't just its looks. It's what's happening under the hood. Multiple insiders have confirmed that Samsung will once again partner with Qualcomm for a special version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, specifically tuned for Galaxy. This chip is built on an advanced 2nm process node, promising massive improvements in efficiency, AI processing, and thermal control. Some markets might see Samsung's in-house Exynos 2600 chip instead, but early performance numbers from leaked benchmarks suggest that even the Exynos version might finally be competitive with Qualcomm this time. Expect blazing fast speeds, improved gaming performance, and smarter AI task handling that adjust dynamically depending on how you use the phone. When it comes to RAM and storage, leaks indicate options starting from 12GB up to 16GB of LPDDR5X memory, and internal storage could go as high as 1TB with UFS 4.0 for lightning-fast read and write speeds. Battery life has always been one of Samsung's strongest suits, and according to leaked certification data, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will retain the same 5,000 mAh battery capacity, but with a new power management system that makes it more efficient than ever. The most exciting part: charging speeds might finally see a real jump. Rumors point to 60W or even 65W wired fast charging, which could bring the phone from 0 to 100% in just about 30 minutes. Wireless charging is also expected to improve, with possible support for the new QI2 magnetic standard, meaning faster and more reliable wireless power transfer, similar to Apple's MagSafe ecosystem. But the biggest talking point around the S26 Ultra, as always, is the camera system. Samsung is once again expected to use a 200-megapixel main sensor, but not the same one as last year. This time, leaks suggest a newly developed sensor with a wider aperture, possibly f1.4, designed to drastically improve low-light photography and capture more natural-looking colors. The ultra-wide lens might also receive a bump to 50 mp, while the periscope telephoto lens could deliver even sharper 5x optical zoom shots with improved stabilization and AI-assisted focus tracking. Some insiders even claim Samsung is testing a dual telephoto setup, one optimized for portrait zoom and the other for long-range shots, giving users the flexibility to capture everything from cinematic bokeh to crystal-clear moon photos. Meanwhile, the selfie camera is rumored to stay at 12 megapixels. But before you roll your eyes, leaks indicate massive software improvements that use advanced AI processing to enhance skin tones, dynamic range, and background separation. It's not just about megapixels anymore. It's about computational photography, and Samsung seems ready to take that to the next level. Speaking of AI, let's talk about what might be the biggest shift in the Galaxy S26 lineup, Samsung's new AI-powered software suite. Sources say the S26 Ultra will ship with One UI 8.5 based on Android 15, introducing never-before-seen features like real-time translation during phone calls, AI-powered summarization of messages and notifications, and smart reply generation that actually sounds natural. Samsung is also rumored to be testing integration with third-party AI assistants, meaning you might be able to choose between Samsung's own Galaxy AI, Google's Gemini, or even OpenAI's ChatGPT-style assistant right from your phone's settings. Another fascinating leak points to a new privacy display, a next-gen hardware feature that automatically reduces screen visibility from side angles to protect your sensitive content from prying eyes. Imagine being on a plane or at a cafe, and your phone's screen automatically becomes private the moment someone looks from the side. That's pure sci-fi level stuff. In addition, Samsung's new privacy protection tools will reportedly allow users to automatically blur sensitive data like addresses or faces in photos before sharing them, powered entirely by on-device AI. That means your personal data stays secure without ever leaving your phone. When it comes to build quality, leaks point to a titanium frame once again, but lighter and more polished than before. Samsung might also be experimenting with a new type of matte glass finish that resists fingerprints and offers a silky smooth touch feel. The S Pen is expected to stay, of course, and rumor has it that Samsung might give it Bluetooth LE upgrades and latency improvements, making it feel even more natural for artists and note-takers. Now let's talk about price and release timeline. Most sources agree that Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S26 Ultra in early 2026, likely January or February, during its signature Unpacked event. Prices are still speculative, but considering the titanium build, AI integration, and all these premium features, analysts predict a slight bump over the S25 Ultra, with the base model possibly starting around $1,099 in the US. That might sound steep, but when you think about the hardware, the AI features, the insane camera system, and the overall longevity Samsung offers, it might just be worth every penny. Of course, not everything is confirmed. Some of these leaks come from supply chain insiders, others from early prototype testing, so take it all with a grain of salt. Still, one thing is clear. Samsung is not just making another smartphone. It's building the ultimate Android experience. The Galaxy S26 Ultra represents the merging of cutting-edge hardware, smart AI, and futuristic privacy features, all packed into a sleek titanium shell. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, then this phone could easily redefine what we expect from a premium flagship in